I got it. No one needs my talent here. I'm out of here.
Hey, wait! Wow! This is not good. Sue, what are we gonna do now?
Oh, I don't know. She was the only actress to pass the audition.
Oh, Elsa! It's great that you're here. Would you like to take the lead role in our video?
Oh, I was dreaming about it since my childhood. Oh, oh, hey, this really tickles. Oh, hello, everyone.
But there's nothing like this in our script!
Hold on, Sammy. It has some charm. Let her improvise.
The morning of a princess does not start with singing like everyone thinks, but with bad organizing routine, just like all the people do.
What? So she's okay to improvise and I'm not? I won't leave it like that.
No, keep it down. We're shooting here. Who allowed you to fly around, huh?
Firstly, I take a relaxing bath to refresh myself. Let it go, let it go. Na, 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 na.
So this is my chance. Let's see how you're gonna deal with this improvisation.
Huh? Oh no! Where did all my clothes go?
So yeah, and he was like, whoops, here, don't get cold.
Oh, thank you.
Cut! Something is off. Where are all the clothes indeed, huh?
Does it really matter, Sam? Let's keep shooting.
Now it's time to brush my teeth and make them white.
This is a very important secret of any princess. They do this 2 times a day.
So fresh!
I still have this strange feeling the clothes were here and then bam, it went missing. Is this? Oh no! Ghosts here!
The next step in the princess routine is hairdo and makeup, of course. Now let's make a beautiful braid. Oh, her hair feels amazing. There you go. All done. Now we'll add some eyeshadow. Shine bright like a diamond. And to the other eye too, of course. Let's not forget about some rosy blush. And a bright lipstick. Mwah! Oh, what a color. You look amazing, Elsa. Now you're ready for your breakfast.
Oh, smells good. I wonder what's on the menu today.
What can we cook for a beautiful princess?
I have a great idea. Let's use our secret royal recipe.
Sounds great, Sammy. Let's do this.
Don't forget about the milk, Sue. Our batter needs it.
Oh, thanks for the reminder. By the way, now we need some eggs.
The eggs! But I don't have any money. Oh, what should I do? I can give you this magical ghost hair for the eggs. What do you say?
What are you doing here? Oh, go back to the set, you two. Now!
I have to do everything by myself again.
Thanks, Sammy. Now we'll add the eggs to our batter. It's easy.
There should be some strawberries, remember?
Let's mix it well now. And the batter is ready.
Now comes the big moment. The oven is ready. Put it inside, Sue.
Let's bake our cake. Oh, wow, it looks amazing. I totally love it. The cake is ready. It only needs to cool down.
Elsa, for the next scene, we prepared a surprise. You have to act like you're amazed.
What do we have here? Cake, huh? Good luck shooting your non-existent breakfast.
Noise! Places, action!
Oh, but there's nothing here. Is this your surprise?
What? Again? Sue, did you eat it?
Huh? No, why would I eat the cake?
Oh, it's even better. Princesses always eat only healthy food for breakfast.
No problem. We'll whip something up in no time. We've got a variety of fruit and berries here.
There can be only one explanation for this. Ghosts! Come here, you poltergeist!
Sam, stop, it tickles!
Okay, there are no ghosts here. Better check over there.
Sam, where are you going? Who's gonna shoot the video? Okay then. I give you a raise. Now you're the director.
Okay, I can do it. So healthy breakfast is a big part of a princess morning routine.
The tea is served, Your Highness. And our healthy fruit and berry mix.
So delicious.
What, they have to feed her with berries only? Losers. Whoops, something is wrong. I guess that cake wasn't good at all.
Wow!
So, now we need to find the right for winter time.
Oh, I like this one.
Great! So we have an order for a royal dress here.
Let's get started. The princess dress will consist of the top and the skirt parts. First come the upper part.
I made the frills. Wow!
Oh, great. Let's make our skirt super fluffy.
Wow! Check this out, Sue. I'm so pretty.
Amazing!
Wow!
Friends, just check this out. We only need to add more decor.
Let me be the fairy godmother for princess. Whoosh! What do you say?
Oh, wow, this dress looks splendid.
Cut! Let's take 5.
They won't get away with it this time. I'm taking it with me. Oh, yeah. Huh? Hey, what's going on? Why?
What happened here?
Ghosts.
Sam, what are you… Okay, everyone on the spot. Action!
The next step is finding the right accessories.
First, let's deal with the necklace. Which one do you like most?
This one looks very beautiful.
Oh, great choice. But here, we can't choose so easily. We need a professional advice.
I call to you, oh TB-Dabba, scare away the poltergeist from the set. Whoa!
I'm sorry for interrupting.
Ghost! That's it for me! Don't touch me!
Come on, Sam, it's just me. Better help us choose the crown for Elsa.
Your wish is my command. This one looks especially shiny.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, wow, it's really amazing. Thank you so much.
We need the right shoes for such an outfit.
I would like to offer you something special from our latest collection.
I'm afraid these are too big for a princess.
And maybe this one, another exclusive model.
But no food can fit in here.
Oh, I forgot. I can use my magical wand. Oh, bibbidi-bobbidi, subscribidi.
Wow, this is a perfect fit. Our princess is ready to shine in all her glory.
And this was a regular princess morning routine.
Cut! The shooting is over. Great job, everybody. Where are you taking me? Still help!
Congratulations on your success, Elsa. Come on, let's celebrate. Oh, it came out awesome. I still can't believe that we did such a great job.
Huh? Who's there? I hope it's not the ghost or something. Oh,
I'm so sorry. I did all these mischiefs at your film set. I promise I won't do it again.
you! Hail, TB-Dabba, I thought we had a ghost here!
It's okay. Don't worry. Just come join us.
The last step in the princess routine is to have fun until you fall. Literally.
Oh, are you challenging us to a pillow fight? Wow!
Yes, something like that.
Take that! Wow!
We had so much fun today, friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Watch out!
Whoa!
Subscribe to our channel, people, and see you in the next video!